All right, everybody. CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Much appreciated. Going to be doing another review. This time it's going to be on CoqInu, the latest meme coin. I believe it's the first meme coin. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. On the Avalanche chain or AVAX. So I'm in their website here, CoqInu.com. The meme coin of the Chad chain, introducing COQ on Avalanche. 69,420,000,000,000 tokens, zero taxes, zero team allocation, zero presale, zero BS. Contract addresses here, and they're on deck screener links here, Twitter, Telegram, Discord. I'll leave all links to the description of the video for you. All right, so let's check them out on deck screener. As you can see, it had a run up here, a little bit of a pump, and it's dumping off a little bit. So, you know, it might not be a bad time to pick it up. Maybe wait a little bit more, maybe down here. Start picking up some. Could pump up again. I believe it's only on Trader Joe now, which is the Avalanche DEX. If you go on CoinGecko, you can see here. You scroll down, you can see that it's just on Trader Joe, it looks like. So you can also click on these links here. It'll bring you to Trader Joe. But make sure you're using the correct address, which is on their website here. It's also on their Twitter account here. Their website's also on the Twitter account. I'm not sure if they have their address. Yep, right here, contract address. So it is there. So they burned liquidity. Contract has been renounced. Let's confirm that. On deck screener, if you go over here and you scroll down here on the right, you can see if you scroll way down, owner address where it says 0x0000, that means that the contract has been renounced. Can also see, so it is anti-will, and it says yes. So you have to be careful of that, guys. Anti-will, what that means is that they can set the anti-will, but they renounce the contract, so they shouldn't have control over it. But it does have anti-will, so I don't like to see that myself. You have to be careful because they can set it to say 3% max tokens in a wallet, 3% of total supply, or they can set it for 99%, or they can set it for 0%, so nobody can have. You know, you got to be careful. So they can fix that. It says no honeypot, buy sell tax, no. Tax modifiable, no. Ownership renounced, yes. All right, so there's 13,379 holders. Liquidity is 1.1 million. Let's see, market cap 22 million, so still pretty low. And trying to look for the volume. Probably can get that here on CoinGecko. So you have volume here, almost 6 million in volume. So pretty good volume. And I don't think there's no token sniffer available, so we can't check that. Let's shoot over to CoinGecko. We can see here the contract address if you need it. Website, Snow Traces their Explorer, Twitter, Discord links, Avalanche ecosystem. You can take a look at the chart here. And the high-low price, the market cap rank is 846. And let's check out their Twitter. So here they have the liquidity is burned, ownership renounced, the contract address. Let's see if there's anything of value here on their Twitter that we should see. Doesn't look like they're on any exchanges yet, so that will pop it usually, pop the price. Surprised they don't have their CoinGecko link on their website. So it looks like it says here, just 5 days since the contract is deployed, our community has soared from a few hundred to well over 10,000. So it looks like maybe December 7th it came out. I think that's going to be it here. I was on their Telegram. There's really not much to talk about there as far as importance that I see. So again, here's their website. Yeah, I would like to see CoinGecko on there. So let me know what you think. Yeah, quick review, guys. Let me know what you think of the CoqInu project, Memecoin. Have you bought any? You thinking about buying any? Leave a comment in the comment section. Much appreciated. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe, like, and share. I'm trying to hit that 1,000 mark so I can get on my way to being monetized. And check out my other videos. All right, Crypto Vin. We'll see you on the next one.